I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? There are times coming and I reap what I done sown. Hey, hey. Well, let me tell you something, all that glitters ain't gold.
It's been a long, long troublesome road. And I'm looking for somebody to come and help me this happy Lord.
Well, I need a dollar, dollar, dollar is what I need. Hey, hey.
I need a dollar, a dollar is what I need.
Well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground.
Everything around me is falling down.
And all I want is for someone
To help me.
I had a job, but the boss man let me go.
He said, I'm sorry, but that won't be needing your help no more. I said,
Please, Mr. Boss Man, I need this job more than you know. But he gave me my last paycheck
and he sent me out the door. Hey,
Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need.
Hey, hey.
Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well,
I need a dollar is what I need. And if I share my story with you, will you share your dollar with me? Hey.
well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground.
Everything around me is a crumbling down.
And all I want is for someone
To help me.
What in the world am I gonna do tomorrow? Is there someone with a dollar I can borrow? Who could help me take away my sorrow? Maybe it's inside the bottle.
Maybe it sits at the bar. I had some good old wine. His name is whiskey and wine.
And for my good old buddies, I spend my last dime. Now wine is good to me. It helps me pass the time.
And my good old fuzzy whiskey keeps me warm in the sunshine.
Now your mama may have blessed the child has got his own.
God has planned for me. I hope it ain't written in stone. Hope it ain't.
Cause I've been working myself down to the bone. And I swear on Grandpa's grave I'll be made when I come home.
I need a dollar is what I need.
Well, I need a dollar, dollar, dollar is what I need.
And I need a dollar is what I need.
And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? Come on,
Share your dollar with me.
Go ahead,
Share your dollar with me.
Come on,
Share your dollar with me.
Give me your dollar.
Share your dollar with me.
Come on,
Share your dollar with me. Share your dollar with me.
Said I need
Your dollar.
I need
Your dollar.
I need a dollar. Yeah.
That was the one.
The spotlight's faded, the crowd is gone, my guitar's packed, and I'm leaving here alone, back to an empty room in another restless town. But I know your love is strong. in another restless town. But I know your love is strong, and it keeps me holding on until I'm safe in your arms again.
tremble in pain. Have you ever loved a woman so much you tremble in pain? And all the time you know she bears another man's name. You just love this woman so much, it's a shame and a sin. You just love this woman so much, it's a shame and a sin. Yes, but all the time you know she belongs to your very best friend. Have you ever loved a woman so much you can't leave her alone? You just love this woman so much you can't leave her alone. But something deep inside you won't let you wreck your very best friend's home. My girl just boarded a 13-hour train. ticket agent told me, left me standing in the rain. I can't understand why she would leave with another man. Hey, she gone for a ride on a 13-hour train. I can't help but wonder where she is tonight. Well, in New York City, is he treating her right? I gotta break the spell, I'll live another day in this living hell. Jump a ride on that 13-hour train. A 13-hour train. 13-hour train.
Right before my very eyes, I saw you walk your love to him. Right before my very eyes, I heard you sing a lullaby for him. So tell me, do you believe in love? before my very eyes. I watched you making love behind my back, right before my very eyes. I heard you sing a lullaby for me. So tell me, please, do you believe in love? Do you believe in love? Right before my very eyes,
I walked a tight, dragging both afar.
right before my very eyes.
I saw all of our stars go down.